Now students, I am going to discuss some more important questions based on arithmetic progression. The question is, how many numbers of 2 digits are divisible by 5? Listen here. How many numbers, you have to find total numbers of 2 digit numbers are divisible by 5. You know students, 2 digit number, it starts from 10 and it ends with 99. Yes or no? 2 digit numbers, it starts from 10 and ends with 99. Is it clear? Okay. Now we have to find in between 10 and 99. That means from 10 to, not in between, from 10 to 99, how many numbers are there? Those are divisible by 5. How? By using arithmetic progression concept, we will solve these like questions. Listen. Okay. First we will check that from 10 to 99, how many digits, how many numbers are divisible by 5. The first number will be 10. 10 is divisible by 5. 5 2s are 10. Second number will be 15. How? 5 you add and go. Third number will be 20. Fourth number will be 25. If like that you will move. Don't write all the numbers from 10 to 99. Those are divisible by 5. It will be take long time to calculate. So using arithmetic concept very easily how you will calculate. Listen here. Okay. So 99. Now first number 10 is divisible by 5. 15 also divisible by 5. If you like that, we will move. So which number from the last will be the divisible by 5? You find that one. 99 is not divisible by 5. 98 is not divisible by 5. Like that, 95 will be divisible by 5. That means 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 like that up to 95. These numbers are divisible by 5. We have to find like that how many numbers are there. From 10 to 95, like that in this sequence, how many numbers are there, we need to find here. By using arithmetic concept, how we use arithmetic concept, listen here. Here, first term is 10. That means A is equal to 10. Is it clear? In arithmetic progression, first term is called as A. Your first term you are writing as a symbol A. That means this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. A1, A2, A3, A4. Suppose so first term will take as a. So A is equal to 10. So how much will be the D? D means common difference. Common difference is 15 minus 10, or you can say 20 minus 15. You will get how much here? 5 will be the common difference. So then what is 95? This is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term up to 99. 95 is there. So 95 will be the last term. 95 will be the last term. That means you can take last term as AN. AN is equal to 95. So what you have to find here? We have to find here AN. That means number of terms. You know the formula according to arithmetic progression. A nth term formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In place of an you can substitute 95. A in place of a you can substitute 10. So in place of n, we don't know, you have to find n value, write as it is. In place of d you can write 5. So now 10 you bring this side, this one will be 85 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. If we'll cancel 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, then 35, 5 7s are 35. That means n minus 1 is equal to 17. Then n is equal to 17 plus 1, 18. So like that, 18 terms are there. from 10 to 99, those are divisible by 5. Is it clear? Instead of using arithmetic progression, direct also you can find by calculating 10, 15, 20, 30, 25, 30, 35, 40, like that. If writing also you can find, but it's time taking. By using arithmetic progression, easily you can calculate. It will be help to reduce our. Now students, as another question, find the 20th term from the last term of an AP. Our arithmetic one AP given here 3, 8, 13 up to 253. Listen students, we have to find here 20th term from the last, not from the first, from the last. So you know the formula for nth term, for calculating nth term of an AP. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. By using this formula, you can calculate any term from the first, either 17th term, either 18th term or 19th term, whatever any terms you are calculating from the first, you can apply this formula. If the question is asking, you have to find the terms from the last, this is the formula from the first. If question is asking how to find the terms, 20th terms or 25th terms from the last, the formula is an is equal to an is equal to a minus n minus 1 into d. Only in place of plus sign you have to write minus sign. Okay, otherwise everything will be same, only common difference will be negative. Everything will be same, formula will be same, if common difference will be negative. If here will be negative, so plus into minus, here will be minus. This is the formula for finding the nth term from the last. Listen here how. Now we are moving from the last. Okay, so if you are moving from the last, then the first term will become as a 253. The first term will become as a 253 because we are moving from the last. Okay, then the second term will be how much? Here common difference is 8 minus 3 is 5, difference is 5, 5. So 8 minus 3 5, 13 minus 8 is also 5. So common difference 5. If we minus here 5, you will get how much? 248. 248 will be the second term. If like that, we'll move, okay, from the hash. Then here will be 13, 8, then 3. Just I wrote, listen here. This is from the first, I wrote from the last. Then here, first term will be how much? 253. Common difference is how much? 248 minus 253, how much? 248 minus, common difference 248 minus 253, how much here? Minus 5. What I said here, common difference is minus 5. If common difference is minus 5, so common difference is minus 5. Here n is equal to 20. N is equal to 20. N is equal to how much? 20. Because you are finding the 20th term, that's why n will take as a 20. Then take the formula an. I said you can apply this formula when d is equal to minus, because common difference is coming negative. Either you are moving from the first or we are moving from the last. Formula you will be same, but common difference will be changed. If you are moving from the first here, so common difference is positive. If moving from the last, common difference will be negative. That means here how much will be 253 plus n is how much? 20. 20 minus 1. 20 minus 1 into minus 5. 20 minus 1 into minus 5. Then how much will get here? So 253 minus 19 5s. Okay. So here will be 19. Here will be 5. So 253 minus here 5 9 ja 45, here 95. Okay, so if we'll subtract, how much are getting here? 13 minus 5 is 8. This is 4, 14. Okay, here 253 minus 95. Then how much will be? Listen here. Here will be 8. Okay, here will be 5. Here will be 1. 158 will be the 20th term. 158 will be the 20th term if we move from last. Then where you will apply this formula? An is equal to a minus n minus 1 into d. An is equal to a minus n minus 1 into d. Directly you can write here. If you apply this formula, here a is equal to how much? 253, because we are moving from the last. Then common difference is 5. Common difference is 5. Common difference you can calculate from this side. Common difference you will calculate from this side. Okay, but in the formula you will substitute here minus sign. Same, n is equal to, will take 20. Same thing will get here. Will get here. So you have to find the 20th, which term is asking. Suppose 20th term will be how much? Okay, so you can write here a20. Here also you can write here a20, because question is asking 20th term. Instead of writing an, you can write a20. Okay, because 20th term is asking. So a20 is equal to how much? A minus 19 into 5. So a how much here? 253 minus 95 is equal to how much you get here? 158. Anyway you can calculate. Listen students, as we are moving from the last, so this one will be the a, 253 will be the first term, then a is equal to, you can take as a first term. So better do in this way. Common difference as moving from the last, you can take negative. Common difference you can take a negative. Is it clear? From the last, always common difference will be negative. Here suppose I'll say, listen here. Suppose here common difference is coming negative, because here common difference from the first is positive. That's why you are moving from the last. So common difference is coming negative. Suppose from the first, if common difference is negative, remember from the last, common difference will be again positive. Understanding this concept? From the first, if you are moving, common difference is coming positive. From the last, common difference will be negative. In this case, in some sequence, if you move from the first, common difference will come as a negative. Suppose common difference is coming minus 30. While moving from the last, so common difference will take as a positive. Okay. If common difference sign we are changing, then you can apply this first formula. N is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Don't go for the second formula. If already common difference you are taking as a negative, so after substituting d value negative, it will be automatically come in the second formula. Is it clear? Yes or no? Now students, I'll explain another questions. It is a word sums. How by using the arithmetic concept we'll solve this question. Listen, carefully listen. Gopal started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000. That means he started his work at an amount of 5,000. 5,000 rupees he started, and receive an increment. Increment means more amount, 200 rupees in each year. If this is in the first year, the salary was 5,000. In the second year, it will be 5,200. Why? Because 200 increase. Again in the third year, the salary will be again 200 increase, 5,400 it will be in the third year. If like that it increased, question is asking in how many years the salary will reach to the 7,000 rupees. That means you have to find how many years, that means number of terms. In terms of AP, you can say as a number of terms. In how many years the salary will become 7,000. You have to find your A. How will you use AP conservation? This is the first year salary. That means you will take as a A. A is equal to 5,000. Then common difference, 5,200 minus 5,000, how much will be? 200 rupees. Increment amount always will be the common difference. Okay, here. Now 7,000, after how many years the salary will become 7,000? If like that 200 year wise it increased, that means the last term will take as a 7,000. That means you can take AN is equal to 7,000 as a last term. What you have to find here? AN you have to find. Why? Because question asking number of how many years. That means number of terms. Apply formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. In place of AN you can write 7,000 is equal to first term is 5,000 plus N minus 1 into D is 200. 5,000 will come this side. It will be how much? 2,000 is equal to N minus 1 into 200. 200 if we'll cancel, 210 ja, N minus 1 is equal to 10. N minus 1 is equal to 10. That implies N is equal to 10 plus 1, it is 11. So after 11 years, the salary will become 7,000 if it increased 200 rupees per year and the starting salary is 5,000. From 5,000, if 200 years it increased, after 11 years the salary will become 7,000. Is it clear? Now students, I am explaining another very important concept, that is numbers in AP. Numbers in AP. So some different type of questions you can solve by using this concept in AP. Listen here. How to select numbers in AP? Numbers in AP. So many numbers, means terms are there. So many numbers are there. In that, if some asking 3 numbers in AP, 4 numbers in AP, 5 numbers in AP. So which numbers you have to select for our convenient use? Listen here. Already I have said that this part suppose is not there. In the previous sections already I have said, this is the first, sorry, what is the terms in AP? A plus T, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, A plus 5D, A plus 6D and so on. This is the terms in AP. This is the terms in AP. Already I said that how it came. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Here the first term is A. If common difference will add, it will become second term as A plus D. Again common difference will add, it will become A plus 2D. Like that way, if I'll move from left side of A, then which terms will come? If I'll move from left side of A, it will be A minus D, A minus 2D, A minus 3D, A minus 4D, A minus 5D, A minus 6D and so on. Like that you can write. In these terms, how to select the required numbers in AP? Listen students, suppose asking question, select 3 numbers in AP. 3 numbers in AP. Instead of selecting A plus D, A plus 2D, you can take A plus D, A minus D. A minus D, A plus D. This is the 3 numbers you have to select in AP for our convenient use. One plus sign, minus sign, if at a time you will take, according to the condition. In some cases, if given the 3 terms you have to add, so easily we can cancel eliminate D. Understanding? For our convenient use. Any numbers you cannot write here. How I select these three numbers? Listen. In these three numbers, common difference is getting how much? D. Common difference is getting D. Yes or no? Common difference is getting D or not? Eh? How? If this is A1, this is A2, this is A3. A minus A2 minus A1 common difference how much? A minus A plus D. A cancel, you are getting how much D? Similarly, A3 minus A2, that means A plus D minus A cancel, you are getting D. So common difference is getting same. That's why we are selecting these three numbers. Understanding? If three numbers is asking, means suppose asking 10 you divide into three numbers which are in AP. Some questions I'll solve later. It's asking divide 10 into three numbers and which numbers will follow in AP. So in this like case, you have to take this A minus D, A plus D as three numbers instead of taking A plus D, A plus 2D. If we'll take this one, these three if we'll take, it will be very difficult to eliminate one variable. Here two variables are getting A getting D getting, A getting D getting. While solving for elimination, it is very difficult to eliminate. If we'll take these three, we can eliminate one variable in order to get another variable. Is it clear? But those three terms you have to select whose common difference should be same. Like that way you have to select. If asking four numbers, the four numbers will be A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Remember students, A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. If we take this one, so common difference will getting how much? 2D. Remember, this part is very important. If you are taking this pattern as a four numbers, these terms you will take as a four numbers. In that case, common difference will be 2D. Remember, common difference will be 2D. Common difference will be how much? 2D. How? Subtract. This is A1, A2, A3, A4. A2 minus A1, you can subtract how much you are getting here? A minus D minus A plus 3D. A cancel, you are getting 2D, no? Similarly, A3 minus A2 if you do A plus D minus A plus D. Cancel, you are getting also 2D, no? So common difference you are getting same. Remember, while selecting the four numbers, the numbers are A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Here common difference is 2D. But while selecting the three numbers as A minus D, A plus D, their common difference will be D. Remember. Similarly, while selecting the five numbers, the numbers are A minus D, A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Here common difference are getting D. You can calculate this one minus this one, or this one minus this one, or this one minus this one. Any two terms, consecutive terms, if we subtract, the common difference will get as a D only. Remember how you will select the five numbers. Six numbers also you can write, but up to your level 5 numbers is enough, I think. Okay, up to this much remember. Again, I am saying while selecting the three numbers, the numbers will be A minus D, A plus D. For our convenient use, for elimination, one variable, we are simultaneously taking plus sign and a minus sign. A minus D, A plus D. While four numbers taking A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. While five numbers taking A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Note down these students, it will be helpful. And while selecting the numbers, don't forget which numbers you are selecting. In all these numbers, the common difference should get same. If common difference in this you are subtracting one, the common difference you are getting, and these two you will subtract, you are getting another common difference. That means common difference is not same, means these 5 numbers cannot be in AP. As common difference is same, these 5 numbers are in AP, so that these 5 numbers you can only select. So like that, in this 4 number also common difference in A it will be 2D. If common difference is not same, then these 4 numbers cannot follow in AP. Understanding? So like that way you have to select the numbers. Is it clear? Now students, listen, how will solve the questions based on numbers in AP. One example, listen. Split 69 into 3 parts. That means 69 we have to split into 3 parts such that they are in AP. They are in AP, and the product of 2 smaller parts is 483. 483. Okay, 483. Then how to find the 3 parts? How you will split? Here, listen here. You have to split the 3 parts such that they are in AP. That means 3 part is asking. So remind which 3 terms you will select, and that should be in AP, in arithmetic progression. Which 3 numbers? A plus D, A minus D, A minus D, A plus D. You will take 3 numbers. Already I said that 3 numbers if you want to select means how will select? A minus D, A plus D. That means 69 I will divide it into 3 parts. It's meaning that if these 3 numbers I will add, I will get how much? 69. That means A minus D plus A plus D. If we will add, I will get 69. I will get how much? 69. So here D will be cancelled. So A plus A, how much will be? 3A will be equal to 69. That implies A is equal to 69 upon 3. We are getting 23. 23. Understood why we take here simultaneously plus sign and minus sign? So that in order to eliminate one variable, if we'll eliminate one variable, other variable value we can get, no? That's why we are taking 3 terms simultaneously, both positive and negative. If all positive will take here, we'll take suppose A plus D, A plus 2D. Can you eliminate one variable here? No, you can't eliminate. So for our convenient use, we have to take these 3 parts. While always if asking 3 parts means, suppose asking the angles of triangles are in AP. Remember, angles of triangles are in AP. That means angles of triangles are in AP is asking means, so you will take as a there are 3 angles in a triangle. We'll take as a one angle as A, another angle A plus D, another angle A minus D. Like that you will select. If asking quadrilateral, 4 angles of quadrilateral are in AP, then you will select the 4 terms in AP. Already I said that in the previous already I said just before how to find the which 4 terms you have to select. You will take one as a 1 minus D, 1 plus D, 1 plus 3D, 1 minus 3D. Understanding? So that orderly you write. Do one thing, orderly means 1 minus 3D, then 1 minus D, sorry, A minus 3D, A minus D, then A plus D, then A plus 3D. Like that you have to select. Is it clear? Okay. A value we got. Okay. In order to find the 3 numbers, these 3 numbers, A value you got. If D value you know, then you can find the 3 numbers. How to calculate D value? Go through second condition. Second condition is saying that the product of 2 smaller parts is 483. Which one is the smaller part here? Which one is the smaller number? A minus D and A will be the smaller. This one will be the bigger. In these 3, these 2 will be the smaller. So according to question, A into A minus D is equal to how much? 483. that implies a value you can substitute here. 23 minus d is equal to 483. Okay, now you can cancel. 23 minus d is equal to 483 upon 23. You can cancel your 23. How much are getting here? So if you will cancel here, 483. Okay, so how will cancel? 23 2s are 46, 23 again 1s are, so 23 minus d is equal to 21. That implies d is equal to 23 minus 2. Common difference we are getting to. A value, d value you got d. Then question asking split 69 into 3 parts. One part is a minus d, other one is a, another one is a plus d. So a minus d is equal to, you can write a how much here? 23 minus 2, we are getting 21. Another one is a value is 23, another one a plus d, that means 23 plus 2, how much are getting? 25. So numbers are 21, 23 and 25. 21, 23, 25. Total if we'll add, we'll get here 69. And remember, if these two will multiply, 21 into 23, your answer will be 483. Is it clear? While solving like that question, you need to select the required 3 numbers from the AP. Okay.